made you wait. Recently I can't see small letters. I'm a dog.
I'm a penguin. I'm still fine.
Today I would like to introduce you to Macross Ranka Lee, released by Japanese plastic model maker Aosima.
The fighter that transforms into a robot is a cool and popular anime Macross F.
It's not just fighters that are popular, but the girls that appear are also very popular. This kit is a kit that you can enjoy both.
It's perfect for greedy nerds.
As the penguins say, let's take a look at the contents of the kit that pleases otaku. The contents of the kit look like this. Sorry for the hard to see photos. Volume is a big MG Gunpla level.
It's the volume of 2 bodies, including a girl and a fighter.
First, let's make it from a normal Ranka.
Yes. I want to suck.
Ranka with dazzling fresh skin is completed. There are places where the joints are loose, but I think that the range of movement and modeling are both good. There are hair parts for replacement. 3 types of pre-printed facial expression parts are included. Pretty.
This feeling may be love.
You can't get a real woman, but you can get a plastic model. Next is the production of the exposed skin version.
I feel blood circulating in the corpus cavernosum.
Me too. There is also a black tights version. Choose your favorite parts and combine them.
Good.
Next is armored mode.
It's a lot of variations and fun. The design is also good.
The great thing about this kit is that it's not just Ranka. Next, I will make the fighter VF-25. First, fighter mode.
Yeah. Cool?
This is not the end. Next is Gawak mode. The transformation is complete by replacing some parts.
How much was this price? It's a lot of content.
It was discounted and was about $70. Quite a bargain. There is a sticker for color coding the details, but if you paint or ink it, it will shine even more.
This is just a little sticker attached. Still, it's beautiful enough.
Furthermore, the last is Batroid mode. Please look.
Ranka and VF-25 are united to enter Batroid mode.
It's a fun kit that you can play a lot. It's easy to make, but it's a kit that has many parts and you can enjoy painting, so even beginners are okay, but it's a perfect impression for intermediate modelers.
Considering the contents, it's very cheap, so maybe I should buy it too.
If you like Macross F and Ranka, this is the kit you should buy. No doubt.
I agree.
So that's it for this time. See you again if I survive until next time.
Thank you for watching till the end.
Goodbye again.